I am incredibly excited to kick it off by introducing you to one of our first adopters of Shopware PWA that managed to create a brand website that really blew my mind the first time I saw it. I'm talking about our partner HCE from Italy and their project Vintageria. HCE has managed to build a shop for an Italian fashion brand from Venice that smashes the brand and its values right into your face. The key values, sustainability and their cheekiness and coolness, come really across within an instant. And on top of this brilliant, unique and truly mobile native design, they've managed to pay a lot of attention to details and gimmicks and gadgets that make the website really a big joy to use. And thanks to Shopware PWA, its snappiness and its responsiveness is really second to none. Obviously not to forget about handy features like the Add to Home Screen button or even partial offline capabilities that allow you to access some parts of the websites even without an internet connection.